Welcome to this session on security testing and vulnerability assessment. Key practices to ensure your application is safe from threats, breaches, and misuse. With growing cyber risks, building secure software is not optional. It's a critical responsibility. Let's begin with security testing. This type of testing identifies vulnerabilities, weaknesses, or flaws in the application that could be exploited. It aims to validate that security controls are working as expected and that sensitive data is protected. Security testing covers a wide range of checks, including authentication and authorization, ensuring users can log in securely and only access what they're allowed. Session management, validating secure handling of cookies, timeouts, and tokens. Data protection, checking encryption of sensitive data and storage in transit. Input validation, guarding against injections, XSS, and other attack vectors. Access control, confirming users can't elevate privileges or bypass workflows. There are two primary approaches. Static application security testing, C, analyzes source code for vulnerabilities before execution. Dynamic application security testing, DAST, examines the running application in a test environment. Next, let's talk about vulnerability assessment, a structured process to discover, analyze, and prioritize security weaknesses. It typically involves automated scanning tools that simulate attacks to identify known vulnerabilities. Common tools include OSPZAP, Burp Suite, Nessus, Nikto, Qualys. A vulnerability assessment often produces a report listing vulnerabilities by severity and risk score. High-risk findings may include SQL injection points, outdated software versions, or unsecured APIs. The process generally includes 1. Scanning the application and infrastructure. 2. Identifying known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. 3. Validating findings to avoid false positives. 4. Prioritizing issues based on potential impact and exploitability. 5. Reporting and tracking remediation. Follow the OWASP Top 10 as a baseline for testing. Combine automated tools with manual testing to catch business logic flaws. Include security testing in your CI/CD pipeline for early detection. Collaborate with security teams to assess risks and validate fixes. Retest after remediation to confirm the issues are resolved. Remember, security is not just a testing phase. It's a mindset to be embedded in every stage of development. To summarize, security testing validates protections against threats like unauthorized access or data leaks. Vulnerability assessment identifies known flaws that could be exploited. Together, they form a comprehensive defense against modern security risks. In our next session, we'll explore usability and accessibility testing, ensuring your software isn't just secure and functional, but also user-friendly and inclusive.